So this XAUUSD analysis for Wednesday the 5th of September. Now let's just have a look at prices and where price may likely go. So we've seen this breakdown from this 11.99. We've heard price come down towards this 11.90. Brief held above the 11.90. We've gone to this consolidation slightly below this 400 period moving average here on the XAUUSD. So for now, we'll see whether we can hold on to this 11.90. If we can have a retest of that 400 period average, and if we are successful, then look for price head towards that 11.99. In around 11.99, we do have the other confluence of the 200 period moving average, thus increasing likelihood of seeing sell side momentum return to market from that level. But if we can successfully navigate that 11.99 and that 200 period moving average, we're looking for a test of 12.0469. And if we do see sufficient volatility beyond the 12.0469, we encountered quite a bit of resistance here in and around that essentially at 12.08. 12.0750, 12.08. We've encountered some resistance there more recently, but ultimately we're looking for movement towards that 12.1426 here on the XAUUSD if we do see a bit of a turnaround. If, however, we do have difficulty in breaking back above that, say that 12.95, where we do have the 400 period average, or that 12.99, we do see accelerated momentum here to the downside. The very next level of notice, of course, at 12.8532. Successful break from which we then look for price head down to the 12.8042. And if we do see sufficient volatility down to the downside beyond the 12.80, very next level of notice, of course, at 12.7063 before looking for move down towards 11.64. 11.7063, 11.64. And finally, let's just have a look here at the daily chart on the XAUUSD. So on the XAUUSD, we can see we had acceleration momentum towards 11.60, brief bullish bounce, pullback, continuation all the way up towards that 12.14. In around that 12.14, we've encountered resistance, started to form a bit of a flag, was looking for a potential continuation here to the upside, but what we've instead seen is a breakdown from that 11.99. We weren't able to hold this support and use it as a platform for continuation to the upside. Instead, what we've seen now is further downside momentum. So we'll see if we do have this further continuation before a retest of 11.99. But if we do get a retest and rejection of that 11.99, may just see continued sell side momentum down towards that potentially 11.80 or beyond that that 11.70. To the downside on the XAUUSD. Bearing in mind, of course, a bullish move would have been counter to the overall trend that we've been in for a couple of months now on the XAUUSD, since we did see the breakdown from that 1300 level earlier in the year. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the XAUUSD analysis. Thanks for watching.